Hi, my name is Alex. Previously, I founded several AI startups, from computer vision to generative AI. For now, I help small and medium-sized companies implement, adopt, educate AI. I'm not a technical guy. I'm a business guy. I know how to use AI, how to implement, where to implement it, where is the best fit company and AI. A couple months ago, I scrolled my LinkedIn and almost every post was about AI agents, about vibe coding. It's the same for now. And in the beginning, I thought, oh, it's just another wave of hype. But later, when I went deeper, I realized it's a great tool, especially for small and medium-sized businesses. In the beginning, you maybe think, oh, this AI agent will replace myself, or replace the whole team, or replace my business. But later, when you understand what is AI agent, you can implement AI agent in your company, in your industry, and that's why I decided to explain it to you. Let's start from the beginning. What is AI agent? Of course, I can provide you some technical information about architecture of AI, of large language models, about everything. But for me, as a business guy, it would be better to explain you what is AI agent for your business. And AI agent for your business is a perfect employee. This AI employee knows everything about your company, about every frequently asked questions, about every details that you provide to them. They work 24/7. They don't have vacation, sick leaves, etc. AI employee follows your instruction without any go left, go right, go back. Just follow your instruction that you provide to your employee. AI employee is a multitasker. He can do whatever you want, whatever you need, and just provide clear instruction and provide nice tools. Your AI employee is smart as a PhD specialist. With vast large language models in 2025, they're smart enough to cover almost every business task that you have for now. Imagine that you have a perfect, brilliant customer support manager. It works 24/7. It remembers everything about your company. It follows your instruction, and it costs 10 or maybe 20 times less than a real customer support manager. Perfect employee. Agents are not magic. If you can describe, provide information, describe the process in a clear way, you can use AI agent. You have to use it to cut your costs, to improve productivity of your team. You should focus on AI agents. How do AI agents work? Firstly, they need a trigger. It can be a change in your CRM system. It can be an email. It can be a message from your customer. It can be a message from your team, whatever. It depends, but you need some kind of a trigger to begin work of your AI agent. But what inside the AI agent? It contains 3 different parts. The first one is brain. It's a large language models that you can use. It can be ChatGPT, it can be Gemini, it can be Claude, whatever you want, whatever you prefer. The second one is memory. It's a context that you provide for your AI agent. It can be PDFs from your internal documents. It can be website, it can be instructions, it can be whatever you want. The bigger context that you provide to your AI agents, the better solutions your AI agent can provide to you. And the third part is tools. It's different instruments, different software that your AI agent can use. It can be API, it can be Google Drive, it can be emailing, it can be messaging, it can be whatever you want. It's a lot of opportunities. I will explain it later on my YouTube channel. But mostly, it's 3 different parts. The first one is brain, the second one is memory, and the third one is tools. This combination with your trigger allows your agent provide the service that you want to see. You need to explain to your agent what you want. You need to provide context, you need to provide some materials, and after all of these materials, all of these instructions, your AI agent can work. It's not so hard, just memory, brain, and tools. Why do you need AI agent? Because there's a lot of automation right now on the market, and before there was a lot of automation with CRM systems, with messaging, with emailing, etc. But why do you need AI agent in your company? The first one is cutting costs and increase productivity and efficiency of your teams. AI agent is a full-time employee, and it costs a lot if you want to hire somebody. But with AI agents, you can spend less and get more with less time. Perfect solutions for your business. Scalability. If your business is growing, you need to hire new people. But with AI agents, you can create a new AI agent, a new AI employee, and it allows you to scale your business, scale your processes, scale your operation, etc. And it's a great way. Adaptability. Our world, our businesses are changing dramatically, and you need to adopt it well. You need to adapt your processes, you need to adapt your scenarios, your team for a new era of AI, of new economics, and AI agents helps you to adopt faster and more efficient. For now, it became much easier to create a new tool, to create a new application, because you don't need coding skills, coding tools. You just need to explain to LLM, large language models, what you want as a final result with much details, with the context, with examples, but you don't need coding tools, coding skills. If you think that AI agents, AI employees are future of our business processes, I can say no, it's our present. We need to adopt right now. We need to go fast. We need to adopt fast. We need to implement it as fast as possible to be on the frontier of every technology in your industry. It can be travel, it can be e-commerce, it can be whatever you want. Just focus on AI in your industry right now, because in the future you will be far behind your competitors that will implement AI faster than you. Where to use AI agents in your business processes? The first one, and maybe the most useful, is marketing. Lead qualification. It will improve your operations because you don't need to spend a lot of human resources on a lead qualification, because everything will be done by your AI employee. Simple answer for your frequently asked questions, follow-ups. It can be automated with AI agent. But also with marketing, you can create content without involving a lot of people. You can create ideas, you can create videos, you can create photos, you can create images, you can create blog posts, you can create your SEO blogs. A lot of opportunities with AI in your content creation. Cold outreach with personalized email or messages. It will increase your metrics of opening emails, replying for your emails or messages. It can be dramatically changes. Scraping leads. Before you meet somebody, you can scrape information on internet about your prospect. The next one is onboarding. It can be onboarding documents, collecting information, welcome email, and etc. Customer success. Client report, feedback, rising clients, boost relationship, and improve the quality that you can provide as a service for your customers. Project management. Schedule meetings, follow-up meetings, and create notes from your meetings. It can be really useful if you're just starting using AI agents or AI tools. Update database, track performance, and everything that you can automate, that you can provide instructions, can be automated. Please follow my YouTube channel. It can be helpful for you to use AI in your daily routine, in organizing processes in your company, in your business, for your team, for your teammates. I believe that AI will improve your efficiency, productivity, and it will generate more money for your business. Thank you again, subscribe, and see you later. Bye!